Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make wild rice with spicy eggplant. Hi guys, this is Ina with Sida Soul. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a really nice nourishing bowl with spicy eggplant and a mix of brown and wild rice. For this recipe you will need a Japanese eggplant. The difference between Japanese and regular eggplant is that the skin of this eggplant is much softer. So you don't have to peel it, you don't have to soak it, you can just bite into it. It will not gonna be hard. So take the tops off. I would like to slice it in half and then slice anyhow you want, big chunks, small chunks. I like to do it diagonally in a larger bites, just like this. And continue with the second one. This looks too thick to me, so maybe I'll just cut it in one more slice. Alright, so once this is ready, heat up your pan and put about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Let the oil heat up again. Once it's ready, put your eggplant first. Meanwhile, while the eggplant is getting ready, use a small bowl and we're gonna mix a sauce for it. So you will use about 2.5 tablespoons tamari sauce or soy sauce. I like tamari, it's a little bit milder in taste and has less sodium than regular soy sauce. So 2.5 tablespoons tamari sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and about same amount of either maple or agave nectar. And to add a spicy kick to it, I will use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic chili powder. And whisk it all well, set it aside. For this recipe, we'll use about 1 cup of either brown rice or wild rice. I have a combination of both, so we'll add about 1 cup of wild rice and about 2 cups of water. And let's boil it, set it on a high, let it come up to boil, and then reduce to medium heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until almost all the liquid is absorbed and your rice is soft. So you don't want to have your eggplant completely brown, just make sure it's brown on each side a little bit, turn it around. And meanwhile, while it's almost ready, we will take about 2 garlic cloves, chop it or mince it anywhere you want. I like big chunks of garlic, so it's your preference. Take about 1/4 inch of a ginger and do the same. This is a great combination if you're having this meal in a cold time, so if you're having colds or flus, garlic and ginger are amazing antibacterial, antiviral combinations that's going to keep your immune system strong. So really great addition and have amazing aroma. So once your eggplant is almost done, you can see it becomes a little bit more translucent. Then you add, just for a little bit, your garlic and ginger. You don't want to add it right away, otherwise it's going to burn. So we just want the aroma and maybe cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And if you're going to smell it so good right now. Give it a nice mix, about 2 minutes. Let it fry a little more. And then add your sauce right on top. Give it another good mix and let it fry to get the sauce absorbed in the eggplant for another 1 to 2 minutes. And now our brown rice, a mix of brown and wild rice is ready. Really good. Nice and fluffy. And to garnish our eggplants, we're gonna use a little bit of green onion. Alright, so our eggplant is ready. Let's put it all together. I will use a little bit of spinach on the sides, some of our cooked brown and wild rice. Very grounding, very nurturing. And let's put a little bit of spicy Japanese eggplant on the sides. Oh, it smells so delicious. And you can finish it with green onion. And just for decoration, few sesame seeds on top. And our eggplant with wild rice is ready. This is really amazing. Nice, spicy, not too much. And the brown rice is a great addition for this dish.